I'm going to show you how to send an invoice on Payoneer. So first you want to log into your Payoneer account and then click on Get Paid. Now you want to click on Invoices, and this should take you to the Invoices page. Just click on Send an Invoice, and you'll need to enter your tax ID and a logo if it's unnecessary, and then press Next. Now you want to select the payer. You can simply select by name, email address, or the company name. And then you want to select a currency and the invoice due date. So for example, this date here, and then press next. And then you want to choose how would you like the your payer to pay you, whether through Payoneer balance or bank transfer. You can pick whatever you want. Usually the Payoneer balance is the best one. And press next. Now you want to enter the item, the description, the price, and the quantity of whatever you're offering for this payment. So for example here, marketing services for $100, the quantity is 1 and 5% tax. You can also click on add another item if you want to add more and press next. And this should generate a preview of your invoice where you can see the payment method, the date, and the requested amount plus taxes. Now all you got to do is click on the send invoice button, and this should send the invoice to whoever should pay you. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.